Okay guys, 2020 Kia Telluride SX all-wheel drive, rebuilt title. Damage was right through here. Got a little bit of the hood, headlight, bumper, fender, driver airbag blew. Captain's chairs in the rear. It's got good Michelin tires on there. Dual sunroof. Started up here. Heated steering wheel. Locking differential. Auto hold. .360 camera. Heated cooled seats. Adaptive cruise. 63,349 on the miles. Blind spots, lane assist, power liftgate, power folding mirror, the blind spots in there. There is some ambient lighting LED in the dark you see there. You'll see those in my pictures. Harman and Karden sound system. Let's see. Navigation there. It's got all-weather floor mats all the way around. Take a good look at that seat. VIN number. Sunshades for the kids. Three seat belts in the rear here. Total of 7 passenger. It's got a tow package here. USBs there. This is where damage was, right in this area. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.